trust me, like half of the world is not even worth going, you
जो भी
know.
बोल लो डिक्टेटरशिप है या वो है मतलब भाई जिन्होंने करके दिखाया है
Like
लास्ट।
Ambani can be Ambani inside his house, but the moment he's
तो मेरा भी पर्सनली फैसिनेशन था कि हाँ मैं यूरोप जाऊंगा, वहाँ पे रहूंगा 5-6 साल, वहाँ से पासपोर्ट निकालूंगा। मेरा पहले होता था कि बहुत ट्रैवल करूंगा, मतलब इंडिया का पासपोर्ट थोड़ा शिटी है मतलब। बट देन ओवर द टाइम आई रियलाइज कि आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू ऑप्टिमाइज फॉर 1% ऑफ माई लाइफ, वे
yeah.
आई शुड ऑप्टिमाइज फॉर 99% रेस्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ, राइट? सो एज यू सेड कि अगर तुम्हें घूमने जाना है वीज़ा लगवा लो भाई, पैसे हैं तो चले जाओ घूमने, 2 महीने लगा लो, 3 महीने लगा लो।
So travel is just an illusion. See, most of the people, most of us won't even carry more than 30 countries stamps on our passports. And after your 10th or 20th country, you will be like, everything is same more or less. I want to revisit the places that I love the most rather than keep
Hmm.
exploring. Trust me, like half of the world is not even worth going, you know. I mean, you can argue, you can debate about it if people is really your thing, and if you are like a like a very public personality, and wherever you go, people are coming and showing their love. All by all means, go ahead, do it. But otherwise, like you will be drained. How many languages do you want to learn? How many different people do you want to connect with? It will boil down to some very limited list of people, list of countries where you are really attracted to, where you really love to go again and again. The brain would want like more familiarity, more more repetitive and nicer things than just going into uncertainty all the time. You getting? So
Hmm.
after traveling so many countries, I saw like everything is same, even in Europe. भाई लाइट चली गई.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So these are the things that has never happened in Germany. Like in my last 3 years, I have never seen a power cut. But yeah, in India.
हाँ भाई, इंडिया के अभी तक ना, मतलब बचपन से कितना इतना टाइम हो गया, मतलब मोर देन 25 years नाउ। लाइट लाइट कट्स अभी आज भी जाती है भाई लाइट।
Yeah, yeah.
So that's something like India really needs to work on, like, reliability.
There is a very systematic reason behind that, and that is like the state governments want the this infra control under them. So be it roads, electricity, your water supply, your sewage, all of these remain in state control, and like they will never reach that efficiency. So if these things were to run efficiently, either like you need like a user manual, you know directed by the central government, like this is your user manual and on this basis you will function. Otherwise it's always full of bureaucracy, it's always full of lazy people, and the money is just wasted. So either privatize it, or the central government should give them a blueprint that you have to function according to this, and if you do not, you are heavily penalized, or you are accountable to answer the public.
हाँ यार, आई थिंक गवर्नमेंट एफिशिएंसी पे तो काम करना ही पड़ेगा। आई थिंक इट्स नॉट एन एरा वेयर यू कैन जस्ट चिल। मतलब लुक एट चाइना, लाइक या भाई चाइना, जो भी बोल लो डिक्टेटरशिप है या वो है, मतलब भाई जिन्होंने करके दिखाया है लास्ट 30 years में, दैट्स इनक्रेडिबल। मतलब इफ़ यू लुक एट सम ऑफ देयर सिटीज़ कैसे डेवलप हुई हैं वो, मतलब ब्रिजेस की पेस, मतलब द पेस ऑफ द कंस्ट्रक्शन देयर, द पेस ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, मतलब यू
Yeah.
कैन ओपन कंपनी इन 1 day, लाइक हर चीज़ एक दिन में आ जाती है बैंक अकाउंट से इंक्लूडिंग।
Yeah,
That's just crazy, like, and it's good to learn from them, like in at least some of the things that they've done right.
absolutely. Yeah. Like these are the examples like where we should look at the countries, or like what they have done futuristically, and what they have done, like instead of looking at the past, that okay, this country is great, look at like what made them great. Start looking from that angle, and then you start seeing like, okay, this is where India can like do better. For example, like I was saying, for public infrastructure and services, it should be privatized.
Hmm.
And but the downside of it is like you can always argue, then a lot of people won't be able to afford it, right? So might work in some cities, it might not work in some other cities. So it's a little like it's open to debate, you know.
Hmm. I think bubble में कर सकते हैं experiment, like I think India or any developing nation,
Hmm.
it grows in bubbles, मतलब एक जगह तुम implement करो, experiment करो, and then like start from there.
That has happened to a great extent. See,
Hmm.
like imagine like 30 years ago, you would live in a row house and like you would go to your local something for everyday issues like sewage or water logging or electricity, whatever. Now you have these mega societies where like at least like 1000 to 2000 apartments are living together, and they
Hmm.
together among them they solve a lot of problems like security, like water, electricity, um, basic municipality stuff like mosquito fogging and such, kids play area, swimming pool, gym, fitness, clubhouses, cultural events. So imagine like people did solve it privately instead of relying on the government, because government solution might take 200 years. Nobody has time for that,
Hmm.
right? So these things are still getting solved. What I'm now envisioning is probably the next step is a whole private city. And there are, like, I think there is something in towards in near Mumbai, like maybe towards Thane or something. Like there is this big township. It's like a mini city in itself. Like it has its own cinema, schools, college, whatever. So probably that's the future. Like if some mega real estate company makes it like huge, they can start building their own private cities, or at least like have some collaboration with the government and come up with such
Yep.
concepts where, okay, it's okay, like rich people can go and live them. I'm not against that. Okay, you can have a city full of rich people, but make it a model city, right? Like give them everything that they deserve.
जैसे अब गिफ्ट सिटी है गुजरात में, आई थिंक इट्स रियली अप एंड कमिंग. उसमें foreign investors can open a company and pay zero tax for like 10 years.
Yeah, yeah.
And yeah, it's really something, I think.
It's good.
I think
But I would give another example. Like if you go to Manila, there is a
hmm.
small county there, like called Makati. If you go there, you feel like you're in like some very high-end first world city. Like it has like amazing infra. Like every second car is like a Ferrari or a Porsche or like Lamborghini, and the the roads are amazing. Like everything is just amazing. The buildings are amazing. Infra is just fantastic, like first world infra. But the rest of the city may be slum. So there are such oasis examples, like such business districts where you have like amazing infra. Somehow in India, even if you go to like the most expensive places in Gurgaon or Mumbai, the infra still looks like shit.
Hmm.
So like those bubbles, India can experiment with them, can do it, but they still do not have that mindset of doing it actually. Like Ambani can be Ambani inside his house, but the moment he steps out on the road, he might step in shit. So
Hmm. ये तो है. बट आई थिंक ग्रो भी ऐसे ही होगा, आई थिंक बबल्स में. जैसे अब ये सोसाइटी वाला कॉन्सेप्ट है पूरा, कि वेयर देयर इज जिम, पूल विद इन.
yeah, and a lot of people, for example, traveling to good countries like Thailand and Malaysia, nearby, what they can do at a very low cost, they're learning like, okay, I mean, keeping things clean is a responsibility of the citizen, not the cleaners. So that mindset is suddenly showing up. Like I see YouTube reels, like there are people coming from very humble background, like what you would call somebody earning very little amount of money. Like such people are creating awareness, like don't throw garbage, don't do this, um, keep your river clean, keep your infra clean, such and such things. Somewhere it gives me hope that okay, people are kind of now creating awareness.
आई थिंक सिविक सेंस में तो हमें गेम अप करना पड़ेगा, इन टर्म्स ऑफ एटलीस्ट
Yeah.
लाइक मेकिंग योर सेल्फ अवेयर कि कूड़ा फैलाना और आसपास की चीज़ें साफ रखना और उनको गंदा ना करना इज़ कूल. लाइक इट्स नॉट कूल टू जस्ट लीव योर स्टफ एंड कि हाँ कोई और आगे उठा लेगा.
Exactly.
मतलब उस लेवल पे पूरे देश को थोड़ी अवेयरनेस लानी पड़ेगी, नॉट जस्ट एजुकेटेड क्लास बट ऑल्सो लाइक पीपल who do let's say drop out of their schools and stuff, मतलब जिनको पूरी एजुकेशन नहीं मिलती, उन लोगों तक भी अवेयरनेस पहुँचानी है. मतलब
Yeah.